Day 11 of the 12 Days of Christmas DIYs, and today we're creating a magical snow scene in a vase. This project is quick, budget-friendly, and brings all the winter charm into your home without any actual snow. Let's get started. I wanted to add a touch of winter wonderland to my holiday decor, but without the mess of fake snow everywhere. That's where this snow scene vase idea came in. It's clean, simple, and so versatile. Using a clear vase, some fake snow, and mini decorations, I created this cozy little scene that's perfect for a table or a shelf. For this project, I used a clear vase from Dollar Tree, fake snow for the base, and mini holiday decorations like a tiny car, little trees, and figurines. My goal is to create a snow scene that feels cozy and festive, with just the right amount of detail. I'll start by layering the fake snow, then arrange the mini decorations to create depth and balance. First, I poured the fake snow into the vase, creating an even base layer. I used just enough to cover the bottom, but left room for the decorations. Next, I arranged the mini trees and the tiny car to create a cozy scene. Pro tip, start with the larger items first to anchor the design, then fill in with the smaller details. The trickiest part was getting the decorations to stay upright in the snow. I had to adjust the placement a few times to make sure everything was secure and looked balanced from every angle. In the end, this snow scene vase turned out beautifully. It's festive and so easy to make. Whether you place it on a side table or use it as a centerpiece, it adds just the right amount of holiday magic. This project reminded me that sometimes the smallest details can make the biggest impact. Thanks for watching day 11 of my 12 Days of Christmas DIYs. Tomorrow, I'll be sharing the final project in this series, a gorgeous DIY gingerbread village that's perfect for any space. See you there.